Okay, so happy, sad, mad or angry, excited. So this handshake, remember the sign for what's up? What's up? Excited, excited. Surprised. What do you think surprised would be? Surprised. Well, we know what our face would look like, right? Surprised. We're doing this because our eyes, you know, if someone surprises you with a surprise birthday gift or something, they open the door, your eyes are going to open up. So surprised. Good job. Okay, so happy, sad, mad, excited, surprised. Good.